Although it is very little, volatility has been getting sucked out in here in your SPY. That's going to be your spiders, your ETF of your S&P. You can see the past 3 days, little consolidation up here. We mentioned this 565 area and this 550 support level. These are going to be areas to watch, see if we're going to trade in between here, just huge swings coming in here. And you really just a whole lot of consolidation up here. You're only getting $6 moves, low to high, $7 moves in here compared to the 10 and 11, 12 that we had previously. So still big moves in here, right? Double what we had up here at the top back in February and January. But all in all, relative to what we just had last week, these are not really that big swings in here. And your volatility has contracted with an IV rank in here of 34. So we mentioned that 565 level. That is going to be key to see if we are going to make or break this trend line in here tomorrow. So we're respecting this trend line right here. You can see that is all going to be up to, if that holds, it's going to be up to tomorrow's trading session. Are we going to hold the 565s? If we do, then we're a little consolidation up here. All we have to worry about is this 200 SMA. Then we can go up to the 575 level because that's really where we want to be. But if we do end up rejecting the 565s, we reject this upper trend line right here, well, then you have a little bit of like a footing here at 561, but really it's going to come all the way back to 550. I'm sorry. That's just what it's looking like here. It's going to happen. It wants to happen, right? And then you can start getting more volatility and you get your big swings in here for your consolidation before you get a nice little running pop here. So all in all, Green Day, 565 had trouble with it this morning, obviously, after Powell spoke 230, boom, broke it, but now we kind of come back down. We're sitting on it. So this upper trend line, see what happens tomorrow at open, gap up or down. We have to see if this 565s hold. If it does, 200 SMA is what we're playing with. That's 573-ish right in there. But really 575 is going to be our main area of concern. And if we look at support wise, below this 565, it's going to be 561. And then below that, it's going to be all the way back down here again to the 550s. And if we do hit that, our RSI is going to be fully reset. You probably get some more volume down there as well once we kind of head back down here to the five. That's if we head back down here to the 550s, and then you kind of get more violent swings and then a nice running start to those 575s again. But all in all, just a little consolidation here, sucking out that IV. IV rank is 34, as we mentioned previously. You have right around a $4.60 move by tomorrow's expiration. If you go all the way out to Friday, right around a $7 expected move. So these expected moves are priced in according to what the volatility got sucked out of for the Green Day in here today. So right around a $4.60 move expected by tomorrow. So we can easily hit that on a gap up or down. And you have a $7 expected move by Friday. That could easily happen if this trend line does not hold and we rip all the way down here to the 550 mark. So that is what we're looking at for the short term. If you go all the way out to next Friday, right around a $12 expected move. You go all the way out to your April monthlies, right around a $22 expected move in here. So again, what are we looking at? 565. That is key. This trend line here, that's all we're worried about tomorrow. Gap up or down, see where we're at. What's the volume looking like? What's our RSI telling us? And then we're going to go from there and we're going to trade in here accordingly. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.